Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you this appetizer called house salad, or like we call it tiger salad. It's looking like this. I'm going to show you the close-up look. Hi, this is a close-up look of the house salad, or we call it tiger salad. So it's very simple, like cucumber, julienne, and then what is this? Going to be a spring onion. And also this one will have a strong kick of the long hot pepper, like long hot pepper, very spicy. Okay, so that's the that's the whole thing. Like it's the long hot pepper and spring onion and also cucumber. All this kind of julienne. So it's a whole plate like this. And very healthy, and it could be spicy though. Could be spicy. It depends on the long hot pepper. Sometimes one batch is super hot, one batch is kind of mild. So kind of miss and guess. Okay, let's begin. So this appetizer house salad or the tiger salad. So let me see. Cucumber. It's kind of sweet, a little bit sweet, and then long hot pepper. I guess probably could mix, just eat them together, not like picking one. It's very refreshing though. It is spicy. It is spicy. Yeah, this long hot pepper is spicy. A lot of folks like this. Kind of really super healthy. In the meantime, it's super healthy, and then this long hot pepper give you the excitement, like a spicy food of this kind of vegetarian appetizer. You see, I finished this one. It's a little bit sauce. It's not sauce. Maybe the liquid coming from the vegetables. Wow, it's quite spicy. I guess it's like from medium to high. After eating all this, that's interesting. Personally, for me, I would say only cucumber. You know, give me a cucumber, I eat this. Healthy, done. And this one is really exciting. Have the spicy thing. I don't know, just like a vegetable cold plate, and then long hot pepper make it spicy. And maybe you want to look for excitement, and then good mix. And they call it tiger salad. Maybe tiger is not a carnivore anymore, so probably want to eat some vegetables. It's crazy. It is crazy. And also, I look up why the name called tiger salad in Chinese, and then it says it's not like nothing to do with tiger. It's I don't know if the story is true or not, but I mean, some poor people was visited by official or the rich people. They were eating this kind of putting vegetable together, like making it a little bit spicy by the non-hot pepper, so they have the little bit flavor to go down with the rice. So the officials said, "Ah, this is really nice." And what is the name? The poor people, they told them, "Oh, it's a lao fu cai. It's a hardworking people, kind of hardworking people dish." But the pronunciation is close to Chinese tiger, the tiger in Chinese. So then the official, or the big guy, or the rich guy said, "Okay, it's a tiger's dish or something, tiger's vegetable." That's the name coming from. To be honest, I doubt about the version, but anyway, I just cannot figure out why it's called tiger's salad or tiger's vegetable. It's interesting, but it does have a feature: spicy vegetable, but spicy. Figure out. Thank you for watching.